Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to add your Discord link in your TikTok bio. So first step, open up Discord. Make sure that you're logged in. You'll likely be brought to a page that looks similar to this. The next step is to create a server for completely free, of course. If you don't have a server already, go to the plus sign on the left top corner of the screen. Click on that plus sign, and it will ask you to either create a server or join a server. We're going to go ahead and create a server in this example. Here you go, you got Learnerpreneur server, and you can just press the purple button to create the server. Now I already have a server named that, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. And of course, if you do as well, just use that. Now underneath your server name, after you click on it, it will say invite members. Click on invite members. And here it gives you a link, and it says underneath it expires in 1 day with unlimited uses. We're going to go ahead and change that by pressing the cog right to the right hand side of the link. That's going to open up this page where you can make some different setting choices here. For instance, we're going to change this from 1 day expiration to no limit. And you can actually set it for 12 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour, and 30 minutes. And you can also limit the number of times that the link can be used from 1 to 100 and 10, it looks like, and unlimited. We're going to go ahead and keep it on unlimited. And then after you're done, just press create link. There's your link. You can press share link to copy it. Press copy if you're on an Android device. Obviously, do whatever works to copy that link on your Android device. Some other devices, you can just press the link and copy it. Next, open up TikTok. Check out this cool Frozen guy video. And you're going to want to go down to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and press on me. That's going to open up your profile page where underneath it says edit profile. Click on edit profile. And then third one down, it says bio. Click on add a bio to your profile. And just for this example, you can press and hold if you're on a phone similar to mine, but just paste the link that you just copied there. And you can even add some text to it if you like. After you're done, just press save in the top right-hand corner. And there you have it. There is your Discord link, all set to go and be followed on and chatted with and everything you want to use Discord for. In any case, I hope this video helped you out on how to add your Discord link to your TikTok profile. Next up is another tutorial on TikTok that I think will really help you out. And before you go, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Take care.